Why has it been normalised? Why has it been normalised to apply copious amounts of fertilizers? Now, me as a bit of a bio gardener, I use a lot of organic fertilizer. I use things like comfrey and stinger nettles and stuff like that to make some lovely green juice. Lovely. No, it's not as horrible as it stinks, but it's good for the plants. The plants love it. And also we've got obviously composts, and you know, we put all this goodness back into the soil, natural goodness. We don't use chemicals. And then those chemicals, the stuff that we're putting in the soil, some of it, and much of it, is actually just toxins. You see, when you buy your fertilizers, for instance, if it comes out blue, all right, you've got like blue grains, the fertilizer isn't blue, that's added to make it look blue, to give it an identity, I suppose, so you can see what it is on the soil. Quite often it's just white, but even then, that's not natural. See, we should stop adding all these nasty chemicals, herbicides and pesticides onto the land just so we can grow a bit of food. There's better ways of doing it. Organic ways, nitrogen fixing plants, for instance, leaving land fallow so it can recover. Now, my farmer here, he does a lot of that. He does a lot of plants peas and that, which is nitrogen fixing. He does a lot of other green crops as well. And the whole idea is that you plough it back into the land and then it puts the feed back into the ground. And every crop he does seems to be a bloody success. So if he can do it, I'm sure others can. It must work, mustn't it? I think some of the problem is, though, is that there's so much the attitude towards land, and because we're not making it anymore, is that we've got to intensively farm. And that is not be funny, that's bad news. That it is. What do you say? Leave in the comments down below. Toodaloo.